Today I want to do voltage drops, and I'm going to show you. I have a battery here where I have my jumper cables connected and I have my starter hooked up. Now voltage drops are simply looking for resistance in connections. So if I go to the battery post, I'm putting my black one on the battery post, and I put the other terminal on the post of the starter, I'm watching my meter and it says 0, 0, 0. So I'm not dropping any voltage there, and I don't want to be dropping any voltage there. So I'm then going to go to the starter post, or I'm sorry, the battery post on the negative side and the post on the ground of the starter, and it's 0, 0, 0. So that tells me the connections between the positive post and the terminal on the starter are good connections, and there's no voltage being dropped there. The same on the ground circuit, there's no voltage being dropped there. Any circuits that you do, you can check voltage drop like this. And if you start to see voltage drop, it suggests that there's corrosion or a bad connection within the circuit. So that has to be fixed, because when you do put voltage and amperage through this circuit, so power, that'll multiply the voltage drop, and you won't be sending the 12.8, which we got, to this starter. So the starter won't perform as well because of this. So voltage drops are one of the first checks you make. If somebody has a complaint that the starter's turning over slowly, we would go to their negative terminal, to the case, or to the post of the starter, and then we go from the positive to the terminal, the battery terminal on the starter, and look for voltage drops. Sometimes this is just a loose connection and it can drop 2 or 3 volts, which means that starter, when it's turning over, is only getting 9 volts, and it's not enough to get it started. So do your voltage drops first.